nous arnaque ici.
US dollar? No. This is the cheapest price. Yes.
This was
So handsome. Okay.
yeah, just a little bit.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try to find some bangles. Hope to find some bangles today. And I also hope to find some black rings for my shop. So anything that is cheap, so I can earn a few bucks.
我们店里没有看咱们在看 this total
Discount? No, discount.
Hong Kong dollar
Yeah, discount.
US dollar
You have discount?
last
Yeah, no, many.
No, this
Same as one buy,
好
but same as people buy one and same price.
哦，他说人家买一件也是一样的，
Yeah,
你给他
you
一
see,
个
people buy this same price and I buy this
批发价
same price.
他现在你是这个吗？对，原面版我打完折了，这个
Not much, hein? How much? 5% quoi, tout ça? Exagère là. 1200. La différence. Voilà.
US dollar? No.
Can, I know
No,
can.
sorry.
Listen.
No.
Yeah, I think only 5%. Only at least no. You calculate because yeah, you calculate your best price.
1000块钱要1000块钱美金，这个
Yeah, try.
1000块，对。We can do that 1000.
Yeah, you see again because it's only 5%. It's only 5%. I know can. Yeah, and then your best price. Okay, because I know.
The cheapest price. Yes, you say cheaper than 1000 and
because I might thinking I was here.
no, sorry we can do this. No.
Cash.
No.
Yeah,
Sorry we can't.
the best.
This is our best price.
Yeah.
You get
Please.
the orange price is the this one.
You check because people want buy.
No.
Same.
No. This is the cheapest price.
Okay.
Yes.
This was
你这里是折人有没折的。
yeah, my last. This one and then finish.
No, this last
Come on.
So handsome. Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit.
check it.
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, and then
No.
yeah, just a little bit. You check properly how much. How much? Yeah. Hello?
The silver price rise every day. We only keep the orange price.
Talk to the boss. Hey, boss.
My boss-
Where's the boss? Yeah, this.
My boss
Come
don't
on.
agree. This is the triple price.
Yeah, you check because I was like this. It's like this. Come on, not much. It's very not much.
You can see our design. Yes. The silver price is
Yeah.
and the pearl is
Yeah,
always
I know.
raised
Try
a lot.
your
We
best.
also keep the orange price for you. We don't
Try your
have
best.
raise the price. Yes.
Maybe,
This is our orange price. We don't change
I
the
know,
price
yeah,
cause
but you can.
this is called this price.
Yeah, this. No, this.
Sorry.
Yeah, because from here.
Check.
Yeah.
Come here, Hong Kong dollar. How much you have in this one?
All of our products are very wholesale. So maybe you come
Yeah,
by tomorrow.
Hey, we do long-term business together. Yes.
I know, this is
，How much Hong Kong dollar you need？
像港币。Hong Kong dollar?
Mais 9000. Tiens. 9000. Hey, allez, hey, non, hey.
No.
Check.
We check.
Hey, it's higher than USD. Hey, je montre ça. Hey, this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
这不是港币吗？对呀，他说。那你就按照那个
他差不多给他好了，不要浪费时间了。顾这两个顾了一下，等下放回去更麻烦。
来，the final price
Yeah, fine, fine.
Final.
US dollar. Okay? Check. Right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Regarde mon bouffe.
Cash.
Regarde mon bouffe.
Cash.
Ça, gagne encore un peu. Elle a essayé de nous arnaquer. Je suis là, c'est tout.
Mais on voulait l'arnaquer, elle nous a